Good morning. Excuse my scruff. Thought I'd just do a quick video. I'm throwing together Frankie a farmyard table, and I thought some of you might find it quite useful and helpful, and perhaps you'd like to make one too if you have kids, or maybe make one for your husband. But yeah, so I thought I'd show you. I'm just winging it as always, so here goes. So what I did is I bought a faux grass runner, and you get them at this time of year for Easter, and then I measured her little IKEA table upstairs, and I bought a piece of plywood, and I've just cut it using my jigsaw. You could use a saw, and now I'm going to glue all of this to this, but this has got hard edges, so I'm going to use bias binding, and I'm just going to use my glue gun to just glue it around the edge first. Blue Peter, here we go. So I have covered the edges, and then I just covered this side in a square of fabric and hot glued it down because I know she was going to pick away at the other stuff. Yeah, okay, onto the grass. And there we have it. Patch of land for a toddler. Ta-da! So here is a little table, which is another project for another day because I'm planning to decoupage and wax this. By the time I got around to it, she'll probably be 10. Anyway, so yeah. So look, it just comes straight off now. Isn't that cool? So you can put a little board on there and get a little farmyard animals. Yay! I think Mummy has more fun with this than she does. Bye.